I'm happy to show you how to use these suckers. They're the new Go Cups by Rumble Tough. Start off by getting a good night's rest. So that's not going to happen for a while, but that's all right. Using your Go Cups is so easy, you can do this in your sleep. Like any baby-related product, you're going to want to start by sanitizing it. It only takes a few minutes. Do not boil your tubing. Of course, let them cool and dry before using them. This is a good time to catch a nap. Because there are only 4 parts, they are simple to use and easy to clean. Slide the one-way valve on like this. Then slide the diaphragm on here, making sure it has a good seal all around. To connect the cup and the brush shield together, match up the small triangular marks. Then in a circular motion, press around the edges of the brush shield and flange for a snug fit everywhere. Lastly, insert the L-shaped connector in here and press down hard for a secure fit. Before you start, you'll want to measure your nipples for the correct flange size. Using the correct size helps you express milk in the most efficient and comfortable way possible. Visit RumbleTough.com for downloadable measuring tools and if you need to order a soft silicone insert in your size. Use a bra that keeps the cup's position snugly against your skin. Center the cup directly over your nipple, and away you go. Carefully remove the cup from your bra and place it on a flat surface. Your Go Cups have been designed with a nearly invisible notch to prevent moments like this.
Hey, love, what's going on?
I spilled a drop of breast milk.
To transfer your liquid gold, simply open the spout cover and pour the breast milk into a bottle or storage container. When opening your Go Cups, remember to pull from the side notch and not from the spout cover, as that can tear. With only 4 parts, they're easily cleaned in the sink or on the top rack of your dishwasher. Make sure to secure the one-way valve so it doesn't get lost in the dishwasher. Let's talk about troubleshooting. For example, finding one of these in your dishwasher is a sure sign that you're tired. If you're not getting proper suction, turn on your pump and look at the diaphragm. Is it moving up and down? If not, push the L connector down for a more secure fit. Reconnect the flange, making sure the soft trim is snug against the cup all the way around. If the diaphragm is moving, but you're not getting the desired milk supply, make sure you center your nipple in each cup. You may also want to check the cup placement in your bra, making sure it is pressed snugly against your breast. Suction levels on your pump may also need to be turned up. If you're still having trouble as a Rumble Tough user, remember to schedule your live call with one of our lactation consultants.
You're really doing fantastic. Give yourself a break and ask others for help.
See? Easy peasy. Go Cups are so simple, you can do this in your sleep. Or on little to no sleep. You've got this, and we've got you.
Rumble Tough.